Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use an application. So just scroll down, go to support and click to reset to factory settings. But you can do it if you have some connectional trouble, so I'll show you the second one option. So just press 2 times on your button on the headphone, and after 2 pressing, press and hold for 5 seconds. So it's look like this: 1, 2, and then here. Now let's test it. One, 2, and now I press and hold it. Now I hear power off, so it means that I make a hard reset. Then click on the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And then forget device. Now close the case and open it again. Now it should enter to pairing mode. We can see it, so click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.